Hello kids! Greetings from Little Stepping Stones School. I am Meenakshi ma'am. Today let's learn about the action words through an exercise. Shall we? Yes. Up, down, big, small, wide, narrow, tall, short, left, right, upper, under, fast, slow, open, close, happy, sad, in, out, yes, no, stop, go, Let's do it faster again, shall we? Yes. Up, down, big, small, wide, narrow, tall, short, upper, under, left, right, open, close, happy, sad, fast, slow, in, out, yes, no, stop, go. Thank you.